Well, good afternoon, everybody. This is Jim Hovland, your Edina Mayor. It is prime time, summertime, and this is Monday, July 6, 2020. I hope you all had a wonderful 4th of July weekend. I hope many of you were able to see the virtual parade that was put together. They did a wonderful job. Jennifer Benarad and her crew, wonderful, wonderful production. I'm sure you can see it by going on the city website. You know, the council authorized me to put in place an executive order effective 12:01 this morning with regard to wearing masks in the city of Edina. And I'm going to pass on some information now to you that we think is really important for you to have. Information that we're getting, frankly, 3.5 months into this ordeal of COVID-19 from the Minnesota Department of Health. And what we've seen here recently is that the city of Edina has a significant increase in the number of COVID-19 cases amongst our youngest residents. As of this morning, July 6, 2020, there are 381 laboratory confirmed tests of COVID-19 in our city. More than 140 of those cases have been confirmed in just the last 2 weeks. From March 12th, when we saw our first case of COVID-19 in Edina, until June 24th, we had a total of 227 total cases, which means we were averaging about 2 new cases a day. The median age of those patients was 57 years of age, and 12% were under age 25. Now, from June 25th to this morning, we had an additional 154 cases, averaging about 13 new cases a day. And the median age has dropped to 20, and 74% of those new cases were under age 25. You know, it's been reported that those 70 and older are at most at risk for contracting the disease. However, in Edina, we have had 85 cases amongst those 70 and older, and we've had 83 of our cases affecting people under age 19. So we need our young people to be more careful about what they're doing. And we've been finding out how they've been spreading it. Contact tracing by public health officials shows that our young people have been exposed to the novel coronavirus at house parties, bonfires, cabin trips, and organized sports. Simply put, it's just from socializing. They're not picking up the virus in restaurants and bars like we're seeing in other parts of the country, where cases amongst those 25 and younger are soaring in those states like Florida, Arizona, Texas, and California. If you've got a young person in your life, please remind them of the importance of proper hand washing, respiratory etiquette, practicing social distancing. You remember, as Mike Osterholm says, distance, distance, distance. And of course, wearing a mask in public. And starting essentially at midnight last night for the next 3 days until the council takes up this issue, you need to wear a mask whenever you go into a retail establishment indoors. And you also need to wear a mask if you're going into a city-owned facility other than a recreational facility. If your kids are involved in organized sports and activities, please make sure they're following all of the rules and guidelines in their organization's COVID-19 plan, and they've all got them. They've all put them together with the help of our Park and Rec department. Guidance from the Minnesota Department of Health states that anyone exposed to an infectious COVID-19 case should self-quarantine for 14 days and be tested for COVID-19. It's important for everyone, especially our young residents, to follow this guidance. If we want our kids to go back to school in the fall, we've got to keep them practicing these important habits. This is Jim Hovland. This is your Edina Mayor's Minute for Monday, July 6th, 2020. Stay healthy, have a good week, and remember to wear your mask. Thank you.